Will XRP move in 28 days? We are watching a show. What huge thing do you think is going to happen for XRP in the next 4 weeks? What impact is it going to have on the price predictions of XRP? Watch the video until the end to actually understand the whole scenario that's going on. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So for today's video we are gonna deep dive into what interesting thing is going to happen for XRP in the next 28 days. Like the video if it was of any help to you regarding your crypto queries. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the bell icon to stay updated. So without further ado, let's begin the video.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro? How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
First of all, let's take a look at John McAfee's kill switch update from a perpetual maniac. A tweet was uploaded with the title saying, "Contingency plan activated." The first thought that enters our minds after just reading the title is that something huge is coming within 4 weeks. The video also seems to have a link provided which currently isn't available anymore or was probably removed. In the tweet, John McAfee says that he ousted some CIA agents, which proves that he has got the goods. While he also said that there's a slight possibility that other people in other countries might also have this date. John McAfee then tagged Brit Bong Long Posts, and the aforementioned person says in a Twitter message that ever since John McAfee has posted this tweet regarding the whole CIA thing, out of nowhere a black van showed up outside his house. That's all he knows about the event. The next important mission is to open the link that went unavailable by going to the archives. So after accomplishing the mission of opening the link, we are going to go ahead and see what's in the link. Inside the link, there's actually a safe that says that contingency plan activated and something big is coming in 28 days. There's additionally an Ether token present which says, all the right people are scared, they should be. At this point, all we know is that something's going on under our noses. John McAfee somehow had laid his hands on some sort of official data, which was highly sensitive. It might also be something related to the next huge thing coming. Something huge is coming, we can feel it in the air. It can be either a big crash, a cyber attack, or whatnot. Next up in the video, we have a few thoughts of our own regarding what the big thing might be. For instance, Russia has officially announced that it is going to liquidate all the USD assets from the Sovereign Wealth Fund within the next 4 weeks. An important thing to note here is the time duration they are choosing. For what possible reason does it have to be the next 28 days? All we can assume is that it definitely has to do something with the John McAfee scenario. It's all related. The next 28 days are going to be very crucial for XRP and the most anticipated XRP news. As far as we know, it could also be the switch of the transfer financial system that would eventually lead XRP to be 3 to 4 digits. Let's now take a look at this tweet by Bank for International Settlements, which says how central bank digital designs are moving from concept to practical. In a video attached to the tweet, it is being said how you can think of CBDCs as a digital form of money. It is also being said that by CBDCs you can actually pay someone as you would do by handing over the money to them directly, but instead you do it digitally by using your smartphone or other devices without the use of financial intermediaries. CBDCs are basically a direct claim on the central bank that means that once the payment is sent, it is certain and final without having to involve the financial intermediaries accompany the transaction. CBDCs are a trusted and verified source of transaction as much as cash money is. CBDCs could offer a number of advantages over the flow of centrality of the data in the digital economy. For example, CBDCs can help in setting up an inclusive and efficient payment system by allowing data used to promote a competitive level playing field. CBDCs can effectively protect the privacy of the customer while actually maintaining the integrity of the payment system. It would now be fair to say that CBDCs are the future and the idea whose time has come, and that CBDCs could possibly form the backbone of the highly efficient new digital payment system. Above mentioned are the important points from the tweet. Let's just say that they're moving quite fast with the central bank digital currency system. A few months back, there was no talk about CBDCs as it is today. Now they're actually talking about implementing them. This whole digital system takes years to be developed, which means that they has been working on it knowing that it's coming. Moving on to XRP being accessed by the Howey test. In addition, why is it relevant? Ohio's Warren Davis has been very vocal on the subject, says that, "I'm glad the president is meeting with his regulators because this space has needed attention for some time now, especially crypto." He also said that existing financial regulations in the country have been too slow to change while being unable to keep up with the fintech innovation. Talking about the control of Ripple, we see that Ripple actually doesn't have that much control over the XRP market. The crypto millionaire John McAfee is nearly out of XRP to dump on the market. This means that at this point he does not have any XRP anymore. Everything that we have mentioned in the video until now is aligning with each other. That's how we know that it's high time for something huge to happen that's going to make XRP go to its true value. The fact that the crypto millionaire who was the founder of defunct exchange, Ripple Labs, and most recently Stellar is dumping off all his XRP. This makes a sense that he's involved in all the things that are relevant in making the cross-border payments, and consequently dumping XRP is a very strange thing to see. We'll now take a look at how low were the whale transactions back in the days, and how they're increasing at a rapid rate in the past few days or weeks. They are definitely preparing for something to blow our minds, and it's almost time. Now we have the US Fed official calls Tether a challenge to financial stability, in which Eric Rosengren included the stable coin among what he termed new disruptors to short-term credit markets. We know that USDT is somehow associated with the backing of the US dollar, but later on, we found that it's not true. When the USD collapses, it conventionally increases the value of XRP. This has been going around for a long time now. And what think is going to happen next is that a senior US Federal Reserve official has called Tether's USDT stablecoin a major risk to the stability of the financial system. Imagine having a CBDC with a digital dollar. No possible function remains for the USDT then. This is something that's been the talk of the town for a while now. Next up, we have Elon Musk's impact on the cryptocurrencies. These past few days, Elon Musk has been tweeting about XRP like crazy, which could necessarily mean the XRP USD collapse. In the next week, we can expect something crazy to happen. We suggest you save this video, and after 28 days when the huge thing has happened, you came back and tell us how accurate our expectations were regarding XRP. Now the next thing we want to bring your attention to is that at the end of the day Ripple would be at a more disadvantage than XRP market as a whole. The point to be noted is that the XRP ledger as of now has 156 validator nodes, of which only 19 are identifiable as Ripples, which means that the company barely controls 12% of the nodes, while the remaining 80% is required to validate the transactions. Hence, it is confirmed that Ripple itself does not have the power to manipulate the network. The distinguishing point is that if Ripple has too much control over XRP, then it is rendered as a security, because then it is an investment contract. However, that's not the case. 80% nodes are required by the validators to validate the transactions and make this network run. And before concluding the video, we will take a look at Bill Hinman, who is the former SEC director's interview with Chris Bummer, to prove that our assumption of something huge is coming is right. During the interview, we can see Bill Hinman repeating his original few months after original speech and clearly says, "We're like more than 5 times," while talking about Ethereum not being a security. He also said like 2 times. He said that he was giving his opinion, but we could see him using we and us as if he is speaking the SEC's opinion. After being confronted, he changed his stance and said that he wasn't talking SEC view. This isn't the only noticeable and important thing here. Another important thing to note is what he said about ETH. He said that at that time it was not necessary to regulate Ether. Let's just say that if somehow Ether had to be regulated, they would have probably done it, but it wasn't deemed necessary. This just doesn't make sense. It is a necessity for XRP to be regulated because they want to use it as a cross-border payment system. They want XRP to play the role of the bridge asset, so they need to regulate it. It's not an option at this point if they want to take the final step. This is it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, tell us what you think about this new huge thing in the comments section below.